Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be taking a closer look into Allie's Organics. Pain is something that we can all relate to, and it's something that we all face at some point in our lives. Whether this pain is mental or physical, it's something that we can all relate to. Prescribed painkiller medicine is taking over the world in the worst possible way. In 2015 alone, over 33,000 people have died from the ongoing opioid epidemic. 50% of these deaths are traced back to the user's addiction to prescribed pain medication. This statistic alone should strike fear not only in users, but in the family and friends of users as well. Allie's Organics was created to help those in need and to find a better solution for this problem. We're here to replace these highly addictive medications with a more natural and organic substitute. We will be traveling to our patients to supply, educate, and promote our product. Most medicine that doctors are prescribing on a daily basis are extremely toxic and addictive. Our mission is to deliver our information to patients on a more personal level. Our CBD products offer a wide range of benefits for the users in a non-addictive manner. Allie's Organics business model focuses on customization. Customization is going to be used through Allie's Organics by having our team carefully and skillfully create the best CBD mixture for each user. This is an excellent way to help guide those who are unsure and maybe uneasy towards giving our product a try. What we will be doing is personalizing the dosages being used. We will be asking our customers and patients if they would like to use the CBD products in an oil form, in an edible form, or a combination of both. We will also be getting to the bottom of why our customers are using CBD. Is it for chronic pain? Is it for someone who is going through chemotherapy and needs to reduce any problems? Pretty much any cancer patients as well. CBD may also be used to help cure and also reduce the amount of seizures someone is experiencing. Really, the range of benefits is almost endless. What sets Allie's Organics apart from the competition is our personalization product. Allie's Organics offers users a customized product. We use all natural and organic products, which begins from the plant growing process. Our CBD products are all non-addictive and they're offered in numerous forms. They also will last over 10 years as a shelf life. So our medicines will not be expiring as often or as sudden as most prescribed pain pills that doctors are using and just trying to kind of turn and burn and make a profit off of. We hope that Allie's Organics makes its way eventually into hospitals, doctors' offices, and pharmacies as a replacement for prescription painkillers. Again, this will bring down the amount of people that we are seeing being addicted to all of these different opioid type of medicines being prescribed. We will begin operations with 5 fully equipped traveling vans. We will begin with traveling around in our state, of course starting in our city here in Naples, Florida. SWOT analysis will also be used to understand our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT analysis will be conducted after each quarter to better understand not only our customers, but our future market potential. The CBD industry will face a lot of competition in the upcoming years, which is why we have set ourselves apart from the traditional business setup. We will be the first traveling CBD educators and providers in the state, which is very exciting. Dispensaries and doctors' offices are going to be our highest competition, but these places tend to give it an intimidation factor that we strive to overcome, and that is one of our main focuses in our business model. After weighing out our options, Allie's Organics will begin operations with a small team. Our small team will start with 10 employees. These employees will be a combination of researchers, professionals, and salesmen. All of these combined employees will be mixed around, and they will all be found in our traveling vans. It's very important for us to have this group of professionals on hand to help spread awareness, especially for those users who are still on edge or a little unsure about trying a CBD product. It's great to have all different areas of expertise be able to answer the questions that may come from our customers or any concerns that they may have as well. When the time is right, we are hoping to expand not only to further cities within our state, but hopefully to other states soon. We will be doing this kind of slowly but surely, so we don't get ahead of ourselves, and we're able to kind of gauge how we are growing within our market. Currently, the prescription painkiller market is raking in about $635 billion annually. The faster our knowledge is being spread throughout the world, pretty much, the faster our market will grow. The CBD market is heading for major growth. By 2020, this market will be a $2.1 billion industry. So as you can see, there is going to be a lot of money involved here. And with the, again, surprising statistic that 1 in 10 people will suffer from addictive prescription abuse in their lifetime, this is something that can really impact almost each and every person. If it's not impacting that person directly, I'm sure that they have a family member or a friend or someone who they know is going through this very challenging abuse. Allie's Organics continues to achieve not only our deadlines, but our goals. We are looking forward to all of the challenges ahead that we will be presented with. We have done our research, we've found our suppliers, and we have a list of health professionals who are willing to work on our team. And whether they will be working with us right off the bat, they know that this industry is in it for the long run, and they know that somewhere down the line that they will be able to help us and our customers. We are looking forward to hit the road by May of 2019, so we are slowly but surely getting there. We need your help to complete the financing for the startup of our business. We need $10,000 investment to complete our van renovations to bring our company to life to save lives before it's too late. Our vans will be the top of the notch facility, up to date with all technology and all information needed to assist our customers. We will be supplying our vans with all different types of products, all different types of books and education and things for our customers to take a look at once we arrive to them or to their city. Any additional investments and finances towards our company will be used towards future research and better understanding, again, not only the CBD industry, but also our market, our customers, and whose lives we can potentially save. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time out of your very busy schedule to sit down and get to know our business on a more personal level. We look forward to working alongside of you and your companies in the near future. Thank you very much.